Hello everyone, welcome back to my little channel. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is doing amazing. So today we have a nice fancy set. Girl, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do some long ass nails. I don't think I could wear this length like often, so let's give it to my homegirl right here. So I'm gonna be using my 3XL Coffin No See Curve tips from the website, and I'm using our nail glue to adhere them. And girlfriend, I was like, damn, is this how long my nails be looking like? So I ended up comparing my nails, and they're slightly shorter, but bitch, they long. No wonder I be getting hurt. And so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna leave them. I normally trim them to make them shorter, but nah, I felt like we need a little long design. Let me know if you guys want me to do short designs too. I did do a live on Instagram the other day with my sister, and I was going to upload that short design because my sister only wears short nails, but it didn't even give me an option to save it. I was so upset. I'm like, what the hell, man? So first of all, I was recording with my iPhone, because my iPhone has a bigger memory. So I was like, all right, I'll be able to save it. I'll have enough memory, no problem. And stupid iPhone started acting up. It was starting to fall asleep. So I had to exchange my phone because it kept pausing our live. And when we finished, it didn't even tell me if I wanted to save it. I'm like, what the fuck? It did give me an option to save it on Instagram, which I did for a few hours, but I ended up taking it off because I was like, you know what? If you were not on the live, you don't deserve to watch this anymore, okay? I gave people a little bit of time to watch it, but then I erased it because it was supposed to be for YouTube, but I couldn't have it on YouTube, so then nobody could watch it. But I'm so sad. I need to really figure this out. Like, is Instagram not gonna let us save the videos no more? Or what the hell, man? But anyway, I'm using my Cover Pink Nude. This is my ultimate favorite cover color to use. I feel like it's very natural. Like, I mean, neutral. It's not like super pink. It's not too brown. It's not peachy. It's like perfect. It goes with almost any color. And I don't know. I just felt like green vibes. I was going to do a black set similar to my sister's because I wasn't able to put it on here for you guys. Let me know in the comments if I should do them long or short. Something similar, just to give you guys a little tutorial. And girl, isn't this color poppin'? It's new. It's the number 138. It's really dark, really dark. I love it. At first, I was like, maybe I'm gonna do the glitter, the Esmeralda one. I did take it out because I was planning on using it, but towards the end, I didn't really use it. Only like a tad bit for the index finger, as you guys will see. But girl, raise your hand if you love dark colors. I'm more of a bright girl type of. I love bright colors, I mean, but I don't know. I've been liking these dark colors, so I'm thinking that my next set I'm gonna be doing like a navy blue or something like that. Or what other dark color would you guys love to see me wear? I'm really over these orange nails. I love them and everything, but I really need something else. But goddamn, this nail looks hella long. Hella long. Low key, these nails took me a long ass time because I was watching Netflix. Also, drop me some ideas of what kind of nails you guys would like to see. Um, I don't know if people are really into like Halloween vibes. I was going to do like another Halloween design, but I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of Halloween. Or should I just really jump into like fall vibes? I have so many ideas, but then I don't have ideas at the same time, if that makes any sense. I just want to do my nails like every week because I feel like I get inspired when I do my nails, not the fucking doll. I don't know. I be having some little brain farts and stuff when I pop my hand out. Like before I start doing the nails, I have all these ideas like, oh, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this. And then once I sit down and I grab my hand, I'm like, crickets, you know? I'm like, I need a real person. I don't really go to work that much anymore to the salon because I live super far, so that's why I have to do my little fake hand to be able to still do these little videos for you guys, because somebody did a comment last time saying to have real customers or to get real customers, but I do have customers. I just do nails part-time, and it takes me way too long to like set up my stuff and make sure that I'm in the frame. And then most of my clients are kind of basic, so I don't think people really want to see that. And it just takes me a little bit longer to record my clients. And I did have some freestyle clients that I booked, and because I was chatting with them, I fucking forgot to record. I was so mad because I was already like filing when I realized, like, damn, I didn't record anything. So I need to try my best to remember that. But then again, my phone doesn't have the most memory in the world. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I don't like to erase my stuff. I love to look at my pictures, my videos after like a few months, and like see my growth, or like look back at my designs or whatever. Like, most of my phone is all nail material. I don't really have pictures of myself or anything like that. It's just nails. So if I were ever to lose my phone and somebody finds it, they'll be like, the fuck? This girl was obsessed with nails and shit. So right here for the marble-ish look, I'm using the nude, a little bit of clear along with the green color. And you'll see that if you use it along or against another color, it does look lighter. So the camera makes it look a little bit darker than what it really is, but it is a dark green. I will compare it to like forest, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna be adding some glitter to this finger. I don't think I showed this one because I thought about it last minute, but this is our fancy glitter. It's a mix of like a light gold with iridescent pieces. It's so beautiful. It's fancy, honey. If you don't have it, you should get it because this color is perfect for the holidays or just all year round, to be exact, because you can never go wrong with golden accents. It's perfect. And if you love the sparkle sparkle, the little iridescent inside of it or in it is amazing. Watch, you guys will see it when I put the little top coat. You're gonna be like, oh my god, girl, I do need that color. Or if you don't like iridescent and you just want like a gold, I would recommend the champagne gold. That one is really nice. It's a similar tone, but it does not have any iridescent, and it's a little bit more chunky. So for the pinky nail and the thumb, I'm going to be doing a ombre. I'm trying my best to make some designs that are more on the simple, elegant side. That is super, super hard for me because I just want to add everything and anything to the nails. So hopefully I achieved the look I was going for with this set. I think they were badass. They're not too crazy besides the length of them, but I mean, you could always change that up to your preference with your client. You know, if you decide to recreate this, you know, you could always remove stuff or add stuff. So right here, my ombre was not looking popping or like perfect yet, but don't worry, girl. We're going to blend it right in. I wasn't sure how far I wanted to bring the ombre. So that's why I was like, okay, let me start here and then I'll fix it as I go, because darker colors are a little bit more hard to blend or make them kind of blend together. So this is my technique with darker colors. I just do less nude and then I go adding little by little as I need more. And then also I leave usually the tip towards the end just in case I add too much nude and I'm like, you know what? I need a little bit less nude or whatever. I go in with the last bead at the tip. And once I'm blending it upwards, I kind of get a little bit more of that pigment onto the nude and bam, you got yourself an ombre, honey. So if you ever tried doing black ombre with nude, ooh, you know that's the toughest fucking color to do. But try it like this and it'll be a lot easier. So right here, I wanted a little bit more pigmentation or whatever. And right here, I'm blending it up to the nude, you see? And then you just dab, dab, dab to blend it in a little bit better. And when you put your clear acrylic, you're going to see that that helps it blend even better. So right here, I'm going to show you how I encapsulate the nails. I do recommend for you to kind of wet the surface when you're doing encapsulating because you want to make sure that you don't have any bubbles in your nails and you want to apply the clear acrylic more on the wet side. Another tip that I have for encapsulating with no bubbles is don't tap that shit too much. Just place it and drag it down. Don't be tapping because you're gonna create bubbles and that ain't gonna look cute. I did get a little bubbles in my thumbnail because I grabbed the bead that was too dry. But good thing it's not a client. If not, I would have gave her some free bling or some shit or been like, you know what, you're gonna have some glitter or something, you know. So on darker nails, the bubbles are a lot more noticeable. So make sure that you apply wet on encapsulating because you do not want to have any bubbles because girlfriend, those shits are going to be hella noticeable when the top coat goes onto the nail. So this is how I encapsulate the nail. And I don't like to do no one bead method because a bitch don't know how to do that really good. And then my shit dries and nope. Zule learned with a lot of nail, like a lot of beads. So that's pretty much what I do and how I do it, and it works. And so this is how the nails look like before I file them. I haven't shaped or anything. So I love these nail tips. I already went ahead and filed, buffed, shaped, and everything. At this point, I was gonna record it, but bitch, I was already taking a long ass time. Ain't nobody got time to include that in the video. I was like, okay, let's get to it. Let's get to this decor. So these are the new charms. I forgot what I call them. I think they're like fancy charms or some shit like that. We do have them available in a few colors. These are like 5 different styles that we carry. But I took out all the green ones because obviously those are the ones that matched. And a few of the crystal golden shadow Swarovski shapes. So I'm using the flame. This is size 10 I believe, just for your reference. Tomorrow is the last day to buy Swarovski crystals. So if you haven't already done so, girl, go get you some Swarovski crystals. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to sell them still under like maybe Zule's Fancy Stones or some bullshit like that. I'm not sure if we're able to as long as we don't use their name. I don't know, but if we can, I will continue to sell whatever remaining I do have. But tell me this nail ain't fancy, girlfriend. I was like, I wish this was my hand. I was hating on the stupid fake hand. I'm like, this could have been my hand. I mean, it still could be with the blue one. I think I have a blue charm of these. They do come in a 5-piece. So if you do get like whatever style, like for example, the really big one, I believe it's called like fancy pear. I don't know. I don't remember what they're called, but they come in 5 pieces. But they are so sexy. They remind me of like jewelry pieces, like an earring or a necklace or something like that. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my little channel. Give me a little thumbs up. Leave me a little comment. You know, the usual. And I'm just gonna let you guys keep watching the rest of the little decor because I'm gonna go get me some ice cream and I'm already like running out of breath and shit. But I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to spray that activator, bitch, because ain't nobody got time for your little charms to be moving around. So yeah, I'm gonna just lightly decorate this finger and then we are finished, honey. So just keep watching if you want to. If not, then go watch another video. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.